Well, today we're going to make my bagel breakfast sandwich.
All right, we're going to start here with a tad of butter and let that melt. Heating the pan up. We take 2 eggs that I've already mixed up and poured in the pan and spread it all over. Now you gotta have some salt and pepper, so I put a generous amount of pepper because we do love it, and just a tad of salt. I've toasted both these bagels, so I throw them in there facing down. Finish cooking the egg and flip it over to the other side. Let that cook for a couple minutes. I throw some cheese on it and some bacon, because bacon is its own food group. You can also use sausage or about anything you wanted, but I really prefer bacon with this. Now this one doesn't want to stay where I want it to, but you fold that in on the sides. And you keep folding. Yep, having problems there. It's that morning. Alright. And it almost got it, so we'll try one more time. We'll get that in there. Alright, 4th time's the charm. So we'll take this and we will fold this over. Alright, touch it on one side a little bit, then flip it over and the other. Alright, take it out of the pan. I usually cut it in half, and it is ready to eat.